Good morning, everyone. We fed Peeps. We cleaned the loft yesterday, and there are no older birds to take pictures or video of, so we're just going to relax and have breakfast with the Ramsey loft for 10, maybe 20 minutes. Hello, Pippin. Hello, Bird. Hello, Sammy. Those are the only three over here right now. Everyone else is at the, well, almost everyone else is at the table. Fluff is up there preening. Sony and Valentine are up there chilling. No, Pippin just went to the window. Here comes Emilio. Hi, Emilio. Karen and Silk got into it briefly. Hi, Lexi. Hello, Hagrid. Hi, Betty. I'm gonna watch Bird while we're in here, because I may end up having to give her an escort to the food and water dish. Hazing is supposed to teach sighted pigeons who to get out of the way of and just how far out of the way they need to get. Oh, well, here she comes. Hi, Bird. Hello, Bird. Oh. Did you miss me? Hi, Cody. That seems to be Bird's favorite corner. There's no food there. Would you like me to take you to food? Hi, Cody. I hear her. Hello, Gus. There's a Gus on my shoulder. And a Tandy on my foot. Hi, Tandy. This is probably what Bird looked like before she was blinded. Hi, Vinny. Hi, Ellie. Hi, Sissy. I know, Bird, I hear you. Excuse me. She definitely likes the sound of Karen strutting. That's what that deep nod means. Like I'm dance stretching. All these ladies and no peeps right now. No eggs. I'm watching you. An excited boy. Oh, Sunsu's found them out. What do you think, Sunsu? Sunsu is curious but doesn't seem bothered. Nope. Hi, Hagrid. Hi, Karen. Oh, hi, kids. Puddin' and Fluffernutter have come over to see me. Mostly because everybody else is doing it. I know. Don't be a nippy poo, Luxie. Oh, look at that brave girl. Actually standing on my foot. Look at that brave Luxie. What a girl. And she sees this baby doing it, and nothing happens to her. Hi, Puddin'. Bird is still over there in her corner. Oh, moving the camera worried Luxie off. Ooh, Sissy is feeling himself today. Look at him go. Courting all the ladies. Can't make up his mind which lady he wants to court. Hi, Hagrid. So Lily will officially join the breeding flock in 2 more days. What a handsome young man. What a handsome young man. When he does, Jet's retirement will be official. Jet is looking mighty sad in quarantine right now. If he'd actually been sick, like had a pathogen sick, I'm pretty sure Rigby would also be feeling ill. Hi, Bird. Oh no. Hi, Bird. I'm gonna touch you. Touch a Bird. She's okay. Hi, Bird. Oh my goodness. Oh my lord, a squeak fight. Look at that Fluff. Holding his own bitty little ground even against that Gus. Wow. Wow. That's a brave and fearsome Fluffernutter. He chased off a whole Gus. Oh, hi, Puddin'. That Gus might be coming back to take her vengeance. Definitely some vengeance plotting. Oh, no. Shoulder. In higher position to show her superiority. And the squeaker fight resumes. Fluff wins! Congratulations, that wee bitty fluff. You gonna fight my hand away now? You can. It's okay. My hand's not after you. There is a downside to them thinking that your hand is an extension of a much larger bird, and that's that when they're in this phase, they'll try and fight it off. Hi, Bird Bird. Hi, Bird Bird. Oh, chased him all the way down, huh? Oh no! You've gotten to where he can ram you. God bless squeaker fights. You found me. You did find me. Hi, Bird Bird. Hi, Bird Bird. You found me. You found me, Bird Bird. Your face looks a little drawn from yesterday. You haven't gone back to the water dish, have you? Well, in about 8 more minutes, I'll escort you. If you don't go by yourself. Hi, Minnie. Hey, Betty. Hi, Vinny. Hi, Pippin. I hear you, Bird Bird. Excuse me. You gonna try and start a fight with Ellie? Buddy, you're not gonna win that. Hello, Bird Bird. Hello, Bird Bird. I hear you. I hear you. Yeah, I think Bird Bird needs to be an only pet. Or at least an only pigeon. Because she's very confused and very overstimulated. Oh, I know. Out here in the loft. Unfortunately, because she's blind, the mechanism that makes shipping safe for pigeons doesn't work for her. Being in a dark box puts sighted diurnal birds kind of automatically to sleep. Because while they're sleeping, it's okay, Puddin', it's just me. While they're sleeping, their digestion slows down. So they're not expelling as much water or burning calories as fast. Yeah, you found me again. You did. 3 days without water for an active sighted bird would be fatal. But birds being shipped can go 5 to 7 days without because they're asleep. Their digestion is slowed to a crawl. They're still storing that in their tissues and they're not using it up as fast. So, because Bird is blind, she won't shut down in the dark like a sighted bird will. So she's going to require local pickup. Or have a train arranged, or need to have a train arranged to get her anywhere out of state. I don't mean like a literal locomotive, I mean like a chain of people willing to drive her from one city to the next until she gets to her destination. Hi, Tandy. Hey, Cookie. Hi, Fluff. Oh, Fluff is going out not this coming Monday, but the next. He has a home lined up. Beep, beep. Oh, I know, I see you twitching. This is anxious twitching. This is not affectionate twitching. He's warning Tandy that he's not afraid to box her if she gets too close. Hi, Fluff. Such violent kisses. They're very enthusiastic. Excuse me, I'm sorry. So PJ is maintaining his claim on that second box. Although he likes that one just as much as he likes the one next to it. I wonder where Escher is. I don't see her out, so she must be. Oh, she's in that top middle box. You can barely see her tail feather sticking out the end there. Wonder if she's laid yet. Probably not, since they were both out on the porch earlier. No. Ellie's coming back up to make a claim. Let's see if PJ defends it. Oh. More interested in... Oh. Yep. He was both interested in defending his wife in their current box and defending what he hopes to be their future box. Oh, hello, Bird. Hello, Bird. It's me. Billy, don't be a butt. Okay. So Bird hasn't made it over to the food dish yet. And we are just now hitting our 20-minute mark. So I'll go ahead and sign off of here and escort her. Thank you, as always, to my subscribers here on YouTube. our patrons on Patreon, the friends of our Facebook business page, and our followers on Tumblr, Instagram, and Twitter. Without your contributions, both financial and intellectual, we would not be able to run nearly as well as we do. And we would be able to accept far fewer birds like Bird. Thank you so much for everything you make possible.